Then let's quickly get back to the dashboard where you can see your store, your time zone, your sources is for the purpose of your chatbot. Like this is my website, and if I show you, I have over here in my products about 22 products that are published. Okay, let me quickly show you. This website I created using a plugin, using a theme, and then I imported the demo and I got all these products in the demo. These are 22 published products, and when you click on this manage sources, here are the all sources like files, web pages, and Q&A. Q&A is like your custom chunk of text that you can add to here, and it will be used to train the chatbot, and that chatbot will further help your customers based on the information that it gets from here. And then you have all the web pages that you can add to. This is also to train the AI. And then you have all these files you can upload. I uploaded this PDF file including some FAQs I created with Canva, and it worked pretty fine. Now you have all the information that will be here. Then here is the email copilot, right? You can upload in CSV. You can download their template, and you can add some email templates and upload the file, and this will all be here. You can customize some settings for this AI bot, like the effective channels you can enable. You can set the transfer to human setting, so whenever the AI recognizes that the customer is having some intent to get queries to be solved from the human, then the conversation is automatically transferred to the manual person. Okay, then you can also disable the email copilot. You can set the prompts during the AI generation. It was like AI thinking or something before. I changed it to typing, which looks more promising in my opinion. And then you have all the basic prompts like your e-stores customer service agent, whatever. You can customize it as well based on your needs. Okay, then you have this fallback prompt, so you can enable disable that like or dislike feedback. You can choose a GPT model you want to use. I have used GPT 4.0 because that looks more promising to me. Then you have this flow bot feature. Flow bot is like you can say based on the flow of your customer, you can set the direction of your bots, like the messages of your bot. For example, here are 3 default bots that I got in account when I opened up the store here, and I can enable disable all these flow bots, but it requires enterprise version for me to enable this flow bot. But from here I can show you what it is and how it works actually. So when I click on any of the flow bot, I can see that it starts from here, like whenever the user visits the website. Okay, trigger once in 20 hours, and then it says what I can do for you. Then the customer gets 4 options about the order, shipping, payment, or contact us. Then if the customer chooses the order, he chooses order, then it shows further information about the order, like whether tracking information, change address, cancel, or return or refund. Then based on selection of the customer, he will be further shown with a message, a chunk of text that I can select to show. For all the options I am showing the text, not I am, because this is not created by me. It is not a custom or the flow created from the sketch. It is a default one. So when the customer selects the shipping, it will show further more options about the shipping, and based on those selections he will be shown the messages. So this is a very, very simple and easy to use bot. I guess it is not having any complex structure or the triggers. Then you have some win back abandonment cart, like the customer has abandoned the cart. He added something in the cart but choose not to pay or buy the product. In that case, you can create this kind of a flow bot, and here you can choose like event is Shopify cancel checkout. Okay, it triggered once in 24 hours. And what you did, we have noticed that you have abandoned your cart, could you tell us the reason please? So based on a trigger, the chat will show this message to the customer, and he will have these options, like the it had long shipping time, wrong product information, price is too high, or something else. So based on selection of the customer, when he chose long shipping time, I showed him a message, okay, whatever it is, and price is wrong, price is too high, okay, for that I showed like here's a discount code. So he is now happy because he got some discount. So now he can not abandon the cart and further, or can fulfill the billing details and pay for the product. And then he will be shown this message if he chooses wrong product information. We are sorry to learn that you have selected the wrong product, the wrong information. We look forward to seeing you again. Okay, then when he selects that there is another issue, then ask for the reason. Could you tell us the reason for the cancellation so that we can provide you with the better service? Okay, and the format verification is none, and it will be a prompt. Okay, here you can see this question mark over here. So this is kind of a box, it will be shown to the customer, and you can also save this text to the customer attributes as well. Customer attribute is like the user meta, you can say, the custom fields for the for your customers actually. Then if it is a success, like the customer fills up all the details, then he will be shown this notification like abandon checkout to manual, and then send a message, thanks for the feedback, we will reply ASAP. So this is kind of a very simple and short win amendment cart. You have also this new discount, customer discount, like if the customer is a new customer, do you have, nice to see you, we have promo code, tell them if they want it, sure, no thanks if he wants it. If he says no thanks, then no problem. If he says yes, then check whether the email exists. Okay, if email doesn't exist, ask for the email. If he shares the email, then deliver them the code. If you already have the email, deliver them the code. If he fails to share the email, then sorry, if you need assistance, I'm always here, because he is not interested. So you can also, after delivering the code, you can also ask them to subscribe. Yeah, that's how this works. You have all these triggers, all these conditions that you can add to your flow bot. You have all these actions that you can add, like send message, bot, ask questions, delay settings, everything is there that you can do. All the triggers you can use with the chat icon, events you have. So you can create some manual bots as well from the scratch. You have all these triggers, and yeah, that's how this flow bot works. Then you have also the flow templates, like the one I used here. We have win amendment cart. There are many other templates as well for the win back amendment cart, new customer discount we already saw recently. Then the main FAQs, leave page reminder, enter cart for discount, everything is there. If you use a template, any of it, you can name it and create the bot and customize it based on your needs. The text, the chunk of text will be there. You can customize it based on what you want it there. Then you have this bot's launcher, configure the live chat and hit save. That's it. Then you have here some playground settings. So make sure you have in your database for the AI Copilot all the settings set, like the files you want to share, because this all the information will train your bot. The files you upload, the pages you set over here, the AI will fetch information from here, and then it will answer your customers about that. So from example, I have here written like what is the average selling price for the products. It's around 50 USD. When was the store opened? 2008. What products can I buy from here? Fashion products from this store. Okay, so based on this, if I ask here like what products can I buy, okay, it is typing, because I set it that it will show typing whenever the AI will be generating the text. And I also set that the email will not be asked from the new customers. That's why it didn't ask my email and quickly replied to my query. Okay, So it said that you can buy various fashion products from our store. We have a wide range of items that cater to different styles and preferences and whatever. So it told me that it is fashion products from a store, and I have mentioned that in here, that we have fashion products, and it also added a lot more text to it, so you don't have to specifically write everything. You can write in very short, and the rest is the job of the AI to deliver the reliable text, because it will modify the text when it answers, so that your customers are happy, and the reply looks genuine. Okay, you can change the products, you can fetch the data of your products, because when you have all the products data in your account, you can also change the products by clicking on here all the products that it had fetched from my WooCommerce store. So once you add more products like in your database you have, then you can recrawl the products information, and it will update the training. Okay.